How to fix Premiere Pro takes too long to export. So if you're trying to export a video and it's taking forever, I'll show you a few ways on how to speed this up. Now, first thing you need to do is click on Edit in the top navigation. You can then scroll all the way down to Preferences and then click on General. Now at the very bottom, make sure this option GPU accelerated is turned on. You can then click on Memory from the left hand side and go and decrease RAM reserved for other applications to the minimum number possible. So if you move the slider all the way to the left hand side, it should reduce the number, and that means more RAM will be available for Premiere Pro. Now once you've done this, press OK to save your changes. The next thing you'll need to do is export your project by pressing the Export button. And there's a couple of settings we need to change. So click on the drop down arrow next to the video tab. You can then scroll down to the More button and click on this. Scroll down and make sure Render at Maximum Depth is turned on and Use Maximum Render Quality is turned on. Now scroll down until you see the bitrate settings. Click on the drop down arrow and change this to CBR. Now for the target bitrate, set this to the number 12. You could then scroll down to metadata, click on the drop down arrow, and just go and toggle this button to off. Once you've applied all of these settings, you can go and re-export your project, and the export time should now be much quicker.